How to fix your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install Roblox. First of all, you have to check the system type of the Windows that you are using. It can be 32-byte or 64-byte. You can check it from the system properties. To check the system type, follow these steps. Head over to File Manager and then move into System Properties. Now you have to download the security updates on your PC. You can click on this link to download the updates. Once the update is downloaded, you must open the downloaded file location. After that, you have to install the updates and then check whether the issue has been resolved. Now the next thing you want to do is to check the server status. Well, if you are not connected to the server, then you will be forced to face this issue. So make sure that you are connected to the server. And if there is any issue in the server, then you will definitely face the issue in the Roblox. So make sure that your server is stable enough. After that, in the next step, what you want to try doing is check the proxy settings. The issue might occur with you if there is any proxy setting issues. There are chances that the proxy settings of your system are causing issues with the Roblox app. We suggest that you check the proxy settings and ensure that there is no any issue occurring due to it. Open Windows settings by pressing on Windows plus I key. Select the option of Network and Internet. You will see the option of Proxy. Select it. Now you will have to toggle off the manual proxy setup if it is enabled. Also, you have to enable the automatically detect settings. It will help in correcting the proxy settings. Now start the app and check whether the issue of Roblox error is still occurring. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Windows 7 system outdated. Please install Roblox. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.